we just now pay the money. $2, $1. Okay. And here, you can see he will flow down the ice cream cone. Yeah. We take the cone, and then this door is the automatic opener. We pay the money, confirm here, or you can confirm the OK, and then the door is closed. He can take out ice cream. Here, ice cream is ready. Open the door. We take out ice cream. The ice cream quality is nice here. Okay, I show you the machine inside the electric. 可唔可以顯示到260克線嚟㗎？俾佢開啊！ We show you just now the machine use the water powder because you have a little bit worry is the 226 cuts. We have show it for you to see. We go to the password now. Just now you can change different language here. You see just now stay is the 226 cuts and the 1 page, and also we have a different language for you to choose. You can see here is the more language for you to choose. We have a setup for the English for you. Okay, and also I can show it for you. This one for the machine inside we set up the system, the temperature and the ice cream ready is the cooling system, everything. And the next one is the sales report here. And this one we have do the test, but later the next one is the setup. You set up the price and the ice cream, the size, and if you want to use the taken, and also you have set up is the discount, and maybe Sunday and Monday to Sunday you can change everything. And the last one is the machine, and inside the information, everything. Okay.
Please choose payment method. The ice cream is returning. Please wait. Ice cream is returning. Please wait. Ice cream is returning. Please wait. Ice cream is ready. Please take the wait and step on.